Have you ever spotted this and wondered what the heck this exercise is for? This is a sumo squat with a dumbbell. We also call these boner squats, okay? Because you're holding the dumbbell kind of, at an interesting angle. Again, this isn't a giant compound move. You're not gonna be able to go incredibly heavy here. So this would not be something I use primarily to build my legs or my glutes, but it would be something I'd add maybe at the end of a workout just to kind of burn out whatever I got left. For demonstration purposes, because my videographer is a Nazi, I am only using 30-pound dumbbell right now, but classically I would use probably like a 70 or an 80, make this really challenging for 10 to 12 reps. Now, let's get into this properly so you don't hurt yourself and you're actually doing it the right way. Once you maneuver a dumbbell off the rack, you're gonna set it down, and your key is to interlock your fingers around the post of the dumbbell. If you have Versa grips, this is even better, but for right now, your good old-fashioned webbed fingers are gonna work just fine. You're gonna squat down into a nice low squat. Notice I am not hunched over here. So I'm gonna interlock my fingers around the post of that dumbbell. I'm gonna sit into a deep squat, and I'm gonna lift with my legs and glutes from the get-go, okay? Toes are slightly flared, and I'm gonna wanna drop down until my thighs get about parallel to the ground. Make sure your knees are not caving in here, push them out, and then press through your glutes to stand. One thing you don't wanna do is when you come down here, you don't wanna thrust forward. Don't be doing that. I don't wanna be seeing that at the gym. So you're gonna come down, keep tension, and come up. Notice I'm not locking out my legs. That is also another key component. So again, down, come up. All the booty pump you'll ever need is in this one workout. Get after it.